It's 11:25 in the morning, Sunday, October 6th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. We got a chile del monte plant here. Look at the peppers. They're still green. If the birds don't get to those, somebody will. Somebody will be picking them. Getting ready to land at Valley International Airport. Not that far away from here. These videos I'm gonna upload during the week from the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. Got water. A lot of standing water. The other ponds that were near, not too far away from here, also have a lot of that duckweed. So I'm gonna, not really pretty because you can't see the water. Oh, look at the sky. But that's not coming this way, that's going west. So much to see, except for the wildlife. So it was a cenizo. Barometer bush. That's what it's called. Cenizo. There's another pair of chichalacas. Okay, one of them flew. Can't see him. That one also flew away. Check out all the butterflies. Sort of camouflages with the color of the leaves. Oh, this is a different color, yellow. The other one was more like a lime color. I'm not too far away from the entrance, from the parking lot. I'll be calling it quits here shortly, just in a few seconds. Oh, look at how much of a mess this is. Must have really rained heavy here for it to be like this. I see, you can see the entrance. I'm gonna cut the video right here.